Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new opportunity in Salesforce. All right, as you can see here on the Salesforce website, you can go ahead and click on new right here under opportunities right on the bat. Now, what if you want to see opportunities right here under these tabs? What we're going to do is just click on this edit button, click on it. And as you can see, we have home, dashboard, and contacts, home, dashboard, and contacts. Now let's go ahead and add more items. In here, just select all. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find opportunities. Right here, click on a plus sign and click on add one nav item. Click on it and hit on save. Now wait for the website to refresh. And in here, as you can see, we have the opportunity tab. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here, we can just go ahead and click on new. If you have created opportunities before, just go ahead and click on import right here. Also, you can create a new opportunity from this button. All right, I'm going to click on it. Right here, as you can see, it will require the opportunity name. Like, for example, one case, just for example, all right? And the account name right here, just go ahead and select from these accounts that you have already created. Now, if the account is not listed in here, just go ahead and make a new account, all right? I'm just going to click on this one. And the close date right here depends on you. Say, for example, was closed today, all right? I'm going to select 24. The amount right here, it's up to you. One, description. Maybe good. Opportunity owner right here is you, of course. At a stage, maybe closed one, probability 100%, forecast category closed. And next step, if you want to, you can go ahead and put some steps right here. All right. For example, call boss. All right. Once done, just hit on save and wait for the website to refresh. As you can see here we have our new opportunity. All right. The next time you log in, as you can see, when we click on opportunities, here's the opportunity list. Now just go ahead and click on the opportunity that you wanted to review, click on it, and there you have it. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.